Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Indeed resume and applications on mobile step by step clearly.
Open your mobile device and launch the Indeed app. Log in to your Indeed account using your credentials.
Once logged in, navigate to the resume section of the app.
Tap on the resume option to view your saved resumes. Select the resume you want to back up. Look for the share or export icon, usually represented by an upward arrow. Tap the share or export icon. Choose a file format that suits your needs, such as PDF. Select the location where you want to save the file. You can choose to save it to your device, cloud storage, or email it to yourself. Once you have selected the desired location, confirm the action. Wait for the download or sending process to complete. Next, return to the home page of the Indeed app. Tap on the Applications section to view your submitted applications. Select each application you wish to back up. Take screenshots or write down key details, as the Indeed app may not support direct export of applications. For detailed records, consider creating a document with these key details. Remember to save this document in a secure location. Review both your resume and application backups to ensure all information is correctly captured. Your Indeed resume and applications are now successfully backed up on your mobile device.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.